एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है मंडे का दिन एंड इट्स वेरी अनयूजुअल फॉर मी टू डू अ रिकॉर्डिंग और शूट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ व्लॉग ऑन अ वीक डे। बट मैंने सोचा आप लोगों को मैं हमेशा मेरा वीकेंड डेफिनेटली दिखाती ही हूँ, सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट शो यू गाइज हाउ माई वीक डे इज, हाउ माई वीक डेज आर generally spent, what the schedule is like. So as a working mom, as a pregnant mom, as a stay at home mom, jo bolo, I have a lot of duties on a weekday and it gets very hectic. इसलिए आप लोग ने notice किया होगा on weekends I'm mostly trying to just try and chill, but weekdays get very hectic. Sophie का आज first day of school है, so I'm going to show you all Sophie. Here she is in her corner getting ready for her school, which is going to start at 9. So she has an online class at 9 which she is going to attend. तब तक के लिए मैंने उसे थोड़े बादाम एंड ड्राई फ्रूट्स दिए हैं मंच करने एंड अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. So she doesn't prefer having breakfast so early in the mornings, and I had to prepare husband's tiffin. So बस वही किया मैंने and he's left for work. So सुबह से I couldn't really record much because I had to do all of this stuff. Now I thought I'll just show you guys what we are doing.
सो मैंने मेरे प्रीवियस रूटीन वीडियोस में बताया था दैट आई वेक अप एट 5 जनरली बिकॉज वी नीड टू फिल वाटर एंड उसी के बाद मेरा दिन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. बट नाउ द रूटीन हैज़ चेंज्ड, सो आई थॉट इसी वीडियो के ज़रिए आई विल शेयर विथ ऑल ऑफ यू माई अपडेटेड रूटीन. व्हाट आई डू नाउ इज़ आई वेक अप एट 7, माई हस्बैंड वेक्स अप एट 5, ही फिल्स द वाटर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड उसके बाद अराउंड 6 ही गोज़ टू द जिम. And then at 7 when he's back, he wakes us all. So that's when I get up. Sophie too wakes up at that time and Sophie does her football practice from 7 to 8 जिसमें मेरे husband उसको help करते हैं. That's when she's back home at 8 we get her ready for her school. बस and then 9 को school उसका शुरू हो जाता है. So that's pretty much how the day starts, and during that time I am also preparing my husband's tiffin. So at this time before she starts her day, in fact before both of us start our day, we use this time to pray to God. So what we are doing is we are reading the Bible पढ़ने से हमको वो जो डेली रीडिंग्स है उसका आइडिया मिल जाता है, एंड मेनली बेसिकली द मैसेज दैट गॉड और जीसस वांट्स टू कन्वे टू अस थ्रू द बाइबल स्टोरीज. And this takes a fairly good amount of time, around 15-20 minutes. So I think sometimes more than that, क्योंकि मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना रहता है टू सोफ़ी what exactly the word means, how we can practice it in our daily lives. So short stories that gives meaning to life and how she can use these values and be an example to others. So ये टाइम बहुत ही valuable रहता है where we all get together and pray and ask God for the strength that we need to carry out our day and to carry out our life. And as you can see, Cookie मुझे बहुत परेशान कर रही है, but that's how she is. Whenever we pray, she is doing so much masti. In a way she is trying to tell us that pray for me as well, which we generally definitely do, but बस ये उसका तरीका है. So Sophie is all set for her class. What I'm doing is I've come to the kitchen to make breakfast. So आज बनने वाला है बहुत ही interesting सा breakfast considering it's her first day of school. मैंने सोचा let's just try something new. So yes, this is the first time I'll be making. आपको मैं बता दूँगी पूरे रेसिपी ख़त्म होने के बाद मैं exactly बना क्या रही हूँ. अभी आपको दिखता होगा आई हैव ट्राइड टू मेक द डो फॉर द चपातीज. साथ ही में आई हैव चॉप्ड अनियंस, कैप्सिकम एंड अ लिटिल पनीर जो हमारे पास पहले से ही स्टॉक्ड अप था. सो इन अ फ्राई पैन आई एम बेसिकली फ्राइंग अनियंस एंड कैप्सिकम. वंस द अनियंस आर सॉफ्ट वील ऐड कैप्सिकम. ये सारा फ्राई करने के बाद दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ मिक्सचर दैट आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग टू ऐड टू द रोटी एज अ फिलिंग. सो ये होगा अनियंस कैप्सिकम से भरा एंड अ फ्यू हर्ब्स विच विल बी मिक्स्ड हर्ब्स, चिली फ्लेक्स, ग्रीन चिली सॉस, रेड चिली सॉस, टमाटो केचप एंड सॉल्ट एंड रेड चिली पाउडर. तो अभी आपको दिखेगा मैं ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालूँगी टू ऐड टू द सीजनिंग एंड टू द फ्लेवरिंग ऑफ दिस मिक्सचर. And at the last I will be adding paneer which I have cut in very small cubes. बस उसी से ये मिक्सचर रेडी होता है. सुपर फास्ट, सुपर सिंपल एंड ईजी.
feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
सो बस यहाँ पे हो रही है फिलिंग की तैयारी. एज़ यू कैन सी मैंने एक बाजू मेरा फिलिंग डाला हुआ है एंड द अदर साइड ऑफ द रोटी आई हैव एडेड टोमेटो सॉस. मेरे पास एक चीज़ स्लाइस पड़ा था तो एक में मैंने चीज़ स्लाइस डाला एंड इन द अदर रोटी आई एम ग्रेटिंग अ चीज़ क्यूब. सो ये इसी से हमारा फिलिंग जो है वो रेडी हो जाता है. एंड देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज़ वी हैव टू फ्राई इट ऑन अ तवा till the till the whole thing is crisp enough.
When I call, it makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and left it feels so.
Okay, everyone. So Sophie is done with her class, and she's all excited today being her first day. And Sophie's going to tell us how was her first day. Now,
It was
Sophie.
very good.
Yes, you liked your teacher.
Yes.
Okay, and what did the teacher tell you?
That she gave us some instructions.
Okay. Stay
Project
loudly.
work on time means the project work should be
Okay.
on
Oh, you
time.
made a note of all the instructions. Good job. Very nice. You should always write down because then you have to tell me what is done in class, right?
And I am write the answer. You have to read it.
Continue after the question. Okay, next.
That work neatly, like uniform neatly, or the
Everything needs to be neat. Okay, very good. Next.
Then class on time.
Join on time. Be punctual. Being on time means being punctual.
Teacher will give the projects and time.
Okay. His first day as a fourth grader, and yummy breakfast is also ready. She has been in her class, so I thought while she's at her class, I'll make breakfast, and now we'll eat it. So हमने बनाया है पनीर tacos, and we'll now have our breakfast. We're enjoying our paneer tacos. It turned out very good. We'll have our breakfast. After that, Sophie will change into her house clothes. I'll get on with my work, so I'm going to see you all super soon.
Bye.
Bye.
बस अब हमारा नाश्ता वगैरह करने के बाद मैं लग जाती हूँ घर के क्लीनिंग में. सो ये जनरली एवरीडे का रूटीन है वेयर आई क्लीन द हाउस विच इंक्लूड्स डस्टिंग, स्वीपिंग, स्वॉबिंग एंड उसी के साथ वी ऑल्सो आई हैव टू कुक फूड एट दिस टाइम. सो बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम home and the work that I do goes up till night time. So I prepare the food for both my meals, which is the lunch and dinner at one time itself. And in the dinner we just have to simply warm it up and eat when it's dinner time. So that saves my time as well because I am working, and which is why I prefer to prepare the meals in one go itself.
This is our study corner, work from home corner. Right now Sophie is utilizing this place for her studies. कुछ देर बाद I will be starting my work, so I will be using this space for my work. I'll show you all where exactly it is at my home. So this is my couch where Cookie is lying now, and this is this little corner that I use for my workplace. After finishing all the housework, I'll be using this time to spend with Sophie, and I will be also teaching her. So we will be using this time for studies. उसका school तो start हो गया है आज से, but she has not been given any lessons as such. So I'm thinking let's just start with whatever lessons or chapters she has as part of her subjects. This year, being in 4th standard or 4th grade, she has also got an additional subject called as history. So she didn't have this subject till the 3rd grade. Now that she has history as part of her studies, it's about Shivaji Chhatrapati. So I was thinking we'll do one chapter of this book, and just basically get her prepared before the teacher starts teaching so that she knows what is it that she's going to learn. So who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work that he did? Okay, now we will learn about him. We will try to understand who he was and also how was the state of Maharashtra before Shivaji became a king. So the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. So in those days what used to happen is only kings used to rule everywhere.
Kings.
Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. What these kings were doing, they were very selfish. They were only thinking of themselves. They were only looking at what all will make them happy. See, in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare. So it's not that all the kings were selfish. There were some kings who were also good and so good that they first thought of the people. I'll give you one example. You saw the movie Nayak. In that, what they showed, Anil Kapoor becomes one day's chief minister. What does he do? He takes care of the people. But before that, the chief minister who was on the throne, Amrish Puri, he was not taking care of the people. No? He was only thinking of what all he'll get, benefit that he will get. So you understood the difference. So the kings also at that time were like that. Some took care of the people, genuine care, love, good care.
Few. But
Who
most
were
of
they?
them.
Who took care? Mughal Emperor Akbar.
Akbar is the first Mughal emperor.
He was in the north. Okay. Now we are talking about Shivaji. Shivaji was from Maharashtra. Maharashtra is in which part of India?
It's near the Arabians.
Correct. Near the Arabian Sea, which is the west coast of India. Na? West. East is Bay of Bengal, Calcutta. South is Tamil Nadu and all. We'll have a lunch by around 1:30. So food is anyways ready. I just have to warm it up. And once that's done, I will be getting ready for work. So by 1, I'm supposed to start with my work. I finish my office work by 11 at night. I tried to show you all how my weekday looks like. And it is definitely generally very, very busy, very hectic also. But this is what it is on a weekday before my so my routine before my work starts. See you all very soon in my next video. If you like this video, then please do like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. I will really like it if you do. It would really mean a lot as well. So please do so. Follow me on Instagram if you are not following me there. It's a great and fun place to be connected with. So please do follow me on Instagram as well. And with that, I will be ending this video, guys. Take care, all of you. Enjoy your Monday. Have a great Monday. Great week ahead.